The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips, work on your foot range of motion. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to need 2 plates, very small, very, very small plates. Put them underneath your heels. And you want to make sure you're contacting on the inside heel and the base of the big toe, right? So you're going to do that. I got those contacts. You want to do so with unlocked knees, so don't hyperextend the knees. You're here. Put one hand on the wall. You're going to push the wall. As you push, you're going to exhale, look towards the wall, and hips back, chest down. Now, as you do that push, you don't want to lock the knees as you do it. Your knees should not move. So I'm here, just like that. You're going to feel a little stretch in the hips. Hold this position, breathe. Making sure you're feeling those foot positions. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.